Hello guys, today we will get you the Xplore Hands-On 2025 solution. If you want, you are at the right place. As you can see, I have also completed the other courses 100%. If you want to know about the other courses and get information of the that and facing any problems, let me know in the comments. Let's get started with the Explore on Hands. As you can see, I have completed all my courses Java, SQL, UI and Unix. As for the code, I have mentioned in the comments. You can click on the link and get your desired link. Thanks. And please do subscribe and like my channel. And for more information or any related to problem facing during the course, please let me know in the comments.